Before React hooks, you needed a class component just to track a single piece of state. useState changed everything. useState is a React hook that lets you add state to functional components. Hooks are special functions you call at the top level of your component. They let you hook into React features without writing classes. useState specifically manages component local state, meaning each component instance gets its own independent state. You pass an initial value when you call it, and that value is used only on the first render. useState returns an array with exactly two elements. The first element is the current state value. The second element is a setter function that lets you update that value. We typically use array destructuring to grab both at once. You can name them anything, but the convention is state variable and set followed by the variable name. For example, count and set count, or isopen and set isopen. This pattern is cleaner than accessing array indices directly. Here's what makes useState powerful. When you call the setter function, React doesn't just update the variable. It schedules a re-render of your entire component. During that re-render, useState returns the new value, and React updates the DOM to match your new JSX output. This reactive pattern is what makes React feel declarative. You describe what the UI should look like for any state, and React handles the updates. Before hooks, you needed this .state and this .setState in a class component. useState replaces that entire pattern with a single function call. No more binding methods, no more this keyword confusion. Functional components with hooks are simpler to read, easier to test, and less prone to bugs. The behavior is similar, but the syntax is dramatically cleaner. useState is how you add reactive state to functional components. Master this hook, and you've unlocked the core of modern React. Practice using it in your next project. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.